Okay guys, this is a video to teach you how to make an order online. Okay, so this is after you have logged in to Shuanghe member portal. To come to this portal, you just have to go to google.com, type Shuanghe online store, click on the first outcome, and then the first or second option that is populated, you can click on it and it will bring you to the login page. Log into this portal and you'll see this is the main page. Okay, so when you are making an online order, just click on new order over here with this shopping bag. Okay, after you click, you see your own name and your team members name. Okay, so I order for, let's say I'm ordering lah for myself. Okay, so it's checked here, but if let's say I want to order for Reese, I will click Reese lah, then I'll click next. Okay, but of course this example I'll just click my own name, click next. Okay, so you can see here, right, there is the product page. You can see what you want to order. Okay, so if you want to buy bee pollen, just click on the how many quantity you want. Let's just say I want to buy 2 quantity, and then just click add to order. Okay, if let's say I want to enhance my kidney health, you can get the YKS. Let's say I get 2, just click add to order. And let's say I want to solve the sinus issue, or eczema, right? Improve my immune system. Okay, I can buy the oregano, whichever quantity. It can be 1, can be 2. Yeah, then of course let's say I want to get coffee and go to the next page. Okay, number 2. Alright, this is the non-sugar one. Let's say I get 3 boxes. Okay, and let's say I want to get a 214. So just put the protein is 1 box, fiber is 1 box, and lactoberry usually you buy 2 boxes because lactoberry you take more lah, correct? Okay, let's say I'm done. Okay, I already gotten what I want. Total around 13 items, around about $1,000 lah. Okay, I just click on preview order. Okay, so you see a summary of all the items I chosen and decide to buy. Okay, so of course for home delivery, right, anything more than $200 you can actually have home delivery already. Okay, so here you see the summary is about $1,080, so you definitely can go for free home delivery. And of course it should also show how much PV you get. Okay, every 1000 PV or for your self purchase, you get a free item in the Parklane. Okay, so this is my address. Okay, my name with my address if I want to do delivery by courier. But let's say I want to collect at the counter. I just click pick up at the counter. So because we will be collecting at Parklane, so we need to change the details here. Okay, and I will change it to Anthony Lim, which is Mr. Lim, because Parklane is his premise. Then we update to his ID, which is 1100106, and of course his mobile number 90605571. Okay, then I'm going to click confirm. Okay, so you can see the summary here. The order is for me, my name, my member ID, pick up account by Mr. Lim. Okay, basically this means we are going to Parklane to collect lah. Okay, so I'll just click on make payment here. I check this box, and then I can go back to view all orders, or I can proceed to make payment. Let's say I click on make payment. Okay, and we brought to this page. Right, so you just key in the details, blah blah blah, Jimmy, pay, 413, yeah. Okay, for example only, then just choose the date, choose the year. Okay, so choose Singapore. Right, so there's a counter over here, so make sure you key in everything and click pay, and that's it. Okay, done. And after this page, when you click pay and payment is confirmed, you will receive a invoice or confirmation of this is already paid. So use that, screenshot that page, and then when you go to Parklane, just show it to Jesslyn, our secretary at Parklane. She will use, based on that slip, a summary slip of all the items you ordered, collect the item and put it in a bag and pass it to you. Alright, so this is just the simple explanation of how we make order at online order at Shanghai portal. Okay, so hope you find it informative.